Hey guys, Coach Banks here, Hollywood Acting Coach. I want to talk to you about my course, Prepare for a Career in Acting. This is really cool. The reason it's cool is because I custom designed this for you. No matter where you are, anywhere in the world, you're going to benefit from this course. Now, you can't fully replace acting training by not ever getting involved with other actors and with a coach in a studio or class environment. However, this is the next best thing. I designed this to be fully interactive. You're going to be on your feet from the beginning of this all the way through to the end. I've designed it so that there's a progression that leads up to a really terrific payoff at the end in visualization, breathing, emotions, mindset. Mindset's huge. You got to hear the things I'm talking about in mindset. Now, Prepare for a Career in Acting is designed specifically for you. A person who can't physically be in an acting studio, no matter where you are in the world, in your home, where you're watching this, you're going to learn and you're going to benefit. You're going to walk away with a tremendous amount of information after listening to it all. Now, you want to stay all the way through to the end because I build it so that it progresses up to something really special. And you will be affected and you're going to grow. It's an awesome, awesome training, and I don't want you to miss it. Check it out. You're going to dig it.